Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mika Satya Maulana, and today I'm going to talk about very controversial and concerning topic about China Dark Factory. This verse does not only refers to actually factory in China, but also to the hidden and often technical practice behind global production, especially in industries like fashion, like electronics, and consumer goods. When we hear the word factory, we usually imagine large building filled with workers, machines, and products being made. But then the dark factory has two meanings. One, literally it can make highly automation factory, then don't need much like because robots are doing the work. More importantly, for our discussion, in also many factors that oppress in secretly hidden from the public eye, where labor rights, safety, and environmental standards are often ignored. And unfortunately, many of the so-called dark factories are found in China, world's largest manufacturing hub. One, labor exploitability. One of the biggest China's issues is the dark factories is a labor exploitation. Many workers often the face extremely long, large, something up to uh, 14 and or 16 hours one day with very little pay. Many are migrant workers who leave their village in search of the jobs only to end up in unhealthy, unsafe working and conditions. Reports have also shown cases of child labor and forced labor, which makes the problem even worse. 2. Lack transparency. Another characteristic of test factories is the lack of transparency. Many global brands outsource their products in Chinese supplier because they don't always check where the product are truly being made. Substantially may basically ship products to uncritical or illegally workshop, which are often hidden and impossible to monitor. This way, scandal often emerges only after investigators, journalists, and NGO after the truth. Number three, dark factory are also illegal to environmental harm without proper regulation. Many of them dump toxic waste into rivers or fully uh, release harmful gas into the air. Uh, into the air, and this does just affect worker inside the factory, but also community leisure navy. Imagine being a cheap t-shirt or smartphone without realizing that is the production may have poisoned entire village. 4. Human rights concern. There are also serious human rights concerns. Some factories have been accused of using forced labor, especially in relations like Xinjiang. International organizations have realized alarm about production made under shocks conditions entering global supply chains. This creates both the technical and illegal change from a complaint and government worldwide. Number 5. Globally responsibility. Globally responsibility. Okay. It's important to understand that China dark factory are not just a China problem. They exist because the global market demand cheaper products. Consumers want fashion but low cash, gadget and quickly delivery. Companies and in turn push suppliers to produce more at lower cost. This pressure creates the condition where unethical practices flourish. So, in a way, all of us are connected into this issue. To contrast, China Dutch Factory is a term then highlight the hidden sides of global manufacturing, library, and explanation. Lack of the transparency, environmental damage, and human rights violation. While China is often at the center of the discussion, the real issue is much broader. It about how illegal economy values speed and low cost over famish and substance. As consumers, we can make a small but meaningful choice, such as supporting its nickel brands, asking questions about where production of come from, and raising awareness about these hidden realities. Thank you very much for the listen. I hope this talk has given you some insights into the darker sides of global production and why it's so important thing about carefully about the things we buy. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.